I'm coming back to the heart of worship, and it's all about you. It's all about you, Jesus. I'm sorry, Lord, for the thing I've made, when it's all about you. What can wash away my sin? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood